Held in the same private collection for almost 4 decades, Bridget Riley's Recollection is a tour de force of colour and form. The canvas unfolds as a kaleidoscopic field of interlocking rhomboids. Vivid hues collide and slip past one another, creating an optical shimmer that seems to move, even as you stand still. Painted in 1986, the work belongs to the first group of Riley's celebrated Zig compositions, marking a decisive turning point in her practice. These diagonal structures introduced a new sense of dynamism and movement, departing from the vertical and horizontal formats that had defined much of her earlier work. Like all works from this pivotal series, Recollection began as intricate gouache studies, each colour chosen with exacting attention to proportion, contrast and correspondence. As Riley said, the eye should feel caressed and soothed, glide and drift.